So viewers, today we are going to discuss about also Bitcoin Core Wallet, and in this video we are going to find our Bitcoin wallet address. Yes, if you need to deposit in your wallets, you must have your wallet address, unique wallet address. So how can you find from the Bitcoin Core wallets? I'm giving to complete information in this video, so please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the more information about cryptocurrency wallets, so please go to my YouTube channel and click on playlist, and after that you will get the more information about many cryptocurrency wallets. So let's start our video. First of all, I am going to open my Bitcoin Core wallet. You can see here the icon shown here. I just simple click on it, and after that you can see here the data is loading, and we have installed this wallet yesterday, and today I am going to find the wallet address. And now you can see here connecting the two peer 70 years and 14 weeks behind the data, which is we are going to download on our laptop. It's take almost 5 to 6 days. After that, we have downloaded all our data from 2009 till today. Okay, you must have almost 700 GB space in your hard. Going to click on hide button, and you can see here we have created our wallet in our last video, but today we are going to find the our wallet address, because if you need to deposit, you must have your unique wallet address. You can see here there's four options available here. First, overview; second, send; third, receive; and fourth number is transactions. So, if you need to deposit, so you must click on receive button. Going to click on it, and after that you can see here the over wallet is shown here. I just simple click on it. I have created yesterday. Double click on it. You can see here the over wallet shown here. I'm going to open the notepad file because I need to save this wallet address. And if I save this file wallet address in our notepad file, so I don't need to open my Bitcoin Core wallet. I just simple copy wallet address to send that person who want to send money. Just simple copy the wallet address and type here Bitcoin wallet address. Now paste here. Before going to save this notepad file, I want to cross check this wallet address, first three digits and last three digits. The first three digits BSC1, and you can see here BSC1, and last SHU. So viewers, be careful when you're going to save your wallet address in notepad file, because if you save by mistake any word from your wallet address wrong, so you can't receive your money. Okay, so you can see here I have saved my wallet address. I'm going to also save this image file, because this is a QR code. If you want to get in your mobile this wallet address correctly, so simple is that just open your mobile phone and open the back camera of your mobile and install software QR code scanner. And when you open QR code scanner, so you can easily scan this QR code and you will get this wallet address at your mobile correctly. Okay, so I hope you properly understand how can you find the wallet address, because if you need to deposit money in your wallet address, you must have your unique ID. So I'm going to also some more give information about this core wallet. You can see here there's help button. If I'm going to click on it, and you can see here command line option available here. What is this? This is the command line where you can find your private key, where you can unlock your wallet, where you set the password. All performing area is this option. So simple click on it and you can see here all option is available here. Execute command and commands is also available here. Let's suppose you want to block your account, find your private key, change your password. So all thing you can find or all thing you perform on this area, the command area. If I'm going to click on this option, it's maybe console is available here. You can see here. This is the console where you perform the commands. You can see here. And if you want to get the command, so you simple click on help button and you can see here command line option. You can find all command about Bitcoin Core wallet from this portion. See here. This is the command options. I will give you more information commands about how can you find the private key and how to change your password. My incoming videos. So please must watch my incoming videos. So going to close this command area. You just use this console area. Okay, you can see this is the console area where you perform the commands. And you also see here warning scammer have been active, telling users to type commands here, selling their wallet content. Do not use this console without fully understanding the information of commands. Okay, be careful. You must read this warning, and after that, you can easily use this command console. Okay, well, I hope you properly understand how can you find your wallet address, and if you need to deposit in this wallet, you must have your unique ID. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So please also share this video with your family and friend because some people need to get the more information about crypto, Bitcoin, or wallet. So viewers, meet with you in new video. Bye bye.